Hello and welcome to today's session on the role of sales enablement training in converting leads into satisfied customers. In the fast-paced world of sales, this is a very complex and dynamic process. Converting potential leads into satisfied customers requires more than persuasive pitches and flashy presentations. It demands a strategic approach known as sales enablement training. Sales enablement training equips sales teams with the knowledge, skills, and tools required to effectively engage with leads and guide them through the buying process. It provides a structured approach that helps them to understand customer needs better and leverage technology and data to personalize their interactions with leads. The training covers a range of important topics, from active listening techniques to strategies to handle objections, and equips sales reps to handle any challenge they may encounter during the sales process. Investing in sales enablement training helps companies empower their sales teams to build trust, establish rapport, and ultimately, convert potential leads into satisfied customers. This is what satisfied customers say. Sales enablement training isn't just about closing deals, it's about creating lasting relationships and delivering exceptional value to customers. Because when sales teams are empowered to excel, everyone wins. Thank you for joining, and here's to converting leads to customers. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. See you soon with another insightful video.